Hey Luke, this is Don. How's it going? Thought I'd make a little SEO video about your website. Your website's freaking amazing looking. It's better than anything I've ever made. And I'm really impressed with the drone stuff. And I remember Spencer always talking about the music videos and the drone stuff. So, really glad to meet you. And you're coming to work at CCI and hanging out with you and talking to you. But anyhow, let's see. So some of the tools that I look at. So here's SEO Quake toolbar right here. So it looks like Google knows about your website. So if you Google site one, your website, all your pages can be found on Google. So one thing here, your name is Arlo Revolution. I'd actually change the title to, so here's the description. So what I would do is, where did I see it? I think it says like Nashville and New York and places that you do business in. Let me see. So I would get rid of, here we go, yeah, Nashville, New York, Madison, Milwaukee. If most of your business is like in Chicago, then for your title tag, instead of just Arlo Revolution, put a like Chicago video or photography or social media marketing, and then put like a dash or a pipe or something, and then put Arlo Revolution, or just try and get up to 70 characters in your title. But I would start with where and what. So where you are is Chicago, and then later make a page. You can make location pages, and then you call that one Milwaukee video, Madison video page, New York video page, because those are like landing pages. I don't know if you know the word landing page, but basically when people are searching for something specific and then depending on where they're at in the world, say you want to order a pizza and you go on your smartphone and say, but where's a pizza place near me? I don't want a videographer in Nashville or a pizza from Madison. That's too far away since I'm in Antioch, McDonald's right now. So that's one idea. So I would put that, like where your main business is at. You could still use the same website, obviously, and just make a location page, and then same thing with the description. So get rid of Madison, New York, Nashville, since we're talking about the main homepage, arlorevolution.com. Do for this description, this is all good, film, video, everything you do. But I would put like the location first, then what you do, and then same thing with this H1 tag with location and specifically like videographer, video. I can research like what the most competitive word that the most people are looking for. But those three things, if it's consistent, title tag, meta description, H1 tag, then you're telling Google and other search engines exactly what you want to rank for and how people can find your business. So that's like one suggestion. I'll try and that's probably like easy things that you can change, and I can help you with that if you got any questions. But so far, I don't think, even though you're like on Google, I don't know if people can actually find you. So let's see, because one tool you didn't even show up. Google kind of hides what you're ranking for. So actually, let me try to get Arlo Revolution. Site Explorer. See if I can get something. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is really good. Alright. So just looking at this, you got backlinks. People are backlinking to you. That's really good. You're ranking organically for 35. So let me see here. I'm doing this on the fly. Alright. So music video packages. There's about 50 people searching that keyword. And it looks like 17 people are finding you and clicking onto that, and you're in the first position for that. Let me see. Yeah, music video revolution. You're like beating all these other people. So let me do this. I'm going to do an incognito window. Wow, this is pretty good. So is this, if you could make your videos public and then use like your name, Arlo Revolution, you could probably find it. Alright, so back to the, that's pretty amazing. Where was that? Let me go back. Alright, music video prices. So you're on the first page for that. Video packages. Video package. These are a lot of like random. Just looking through this real quick. One thing that's going through my mind, like I'm skilled. I specialize in local search engine optimization, and these words are not local; these are nationwide. So, and that might be what you want, since your description says New York and Nashville, and it sounds like you'd go anywhere, or maybe I see all your friends in those pictures, like Spencer's in some of the pictures. I don't know where they live, what exactly you do, but there is some volume. But if this is a nationwide word, and 50 people are typing this into Google, let's say, and then they find you, but what are they going to do? They're probably people that aren't sending, they don't have money, they don't have their wallets open, and they're not buying your music video packages. So I'm not sure, when you consider the psychology of what people are thinking when they type this, like I don't think if I wanted a wedding videographer, I would type this in, even though you're a position 1. So just to consider the psychology of the people that do have their wallets open, you want these words to say Chicago or Milwaukee or Madison, and then the niche, so videographer, wedding videographer, social media videographer. So just some ideas, but again, back to this, like if you could clean this up where you put, let's say you want to target Chicago, so Chicago videography dash Arlo Revolution, Chicago videography, and then you can put all this. We do this, and this, but then delete all this, and then H1 tag. So I'm just repeating myself, Milwaukee, and then that'd be the first thing I do, and then you're telling Google exactly what you want to do, then you're clear. Google knows what you want to rank for, and they'll give Google basically wants to give the best solution, the best search solutions to the searchers, the Googlers. So what people are Googling for. So just sorry for all the background noise. But I'll just cut this short. It's 2 minutes now. And just wanted to give you some ideas. Feel free to hit me up on Monday or email me back or whatever. And I'll talk to you later, man. Have a good weekend.